In the end, Jaffers was knocked down unconscious. And what did Griffins do to Jaffers? He knocked him down unconscious. उसको मार मार के bet him and made him unconscious. उसको मार मार के बेहोश कर दिया. Griffins bet him so much that he became unconscious. Fainted. Unconscious means he fainted. He bet him so much that poor constable, वो तो देख नहीं पा रहा था और ग्रिफिन्स उसको मारे जा रहा था. अंत में जो है मार खाते खाते what happened? He became unconscious. He fainted as he made a last attempt. But see his sense of duty. He was fainting and still he made a last attempt to hold on to the unseen scientist. So the village constable Jaffers was very brave and beautiful. Though he had to catch hold of this invisible person, he made all attempt till the last. He did not give up till the last. Even when he was fainting, he made a last attempt. Even when he was fainting, he made a last attempt to hold the unseen scientist. There were nervous, excited cries of hold him. सारे लोग क्या कर रहे थे जोर जोर से. There were nervous, excited cries. People were shouting. People were shouting, hold him, hold him. All of them were shouting. People were shouting, hold him. But this was easier said than done. बोलना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन इनविजिबल आदमी को पकड़ना आसान नहीं है. अंत में Griffins had shaken himself free. And what did Griffins do in the end? He shook himself free and no one knew where to lay hands on him. Escaped. Finally, what he did? Escaped. Was not caught by Jaffers. So that is the end of the chapter. Anything you want to ask? Any questions from this chapter? Want to ask anything that is not clear? Hello? Can you hear me, all of you? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything that is not clear? So it is a science fiction written by H.G. Wells. You want to know what happened in the end? In the end, Griffins was lynched by the mob. In the end, he was just, again he became he continued his destructive activities. इस तरह के destructive activities उसने continue रखा. And he escaped after doing all the destructive activities. But once he was caught by the mob and the mob lynched him. You know the meaning of lynching? Hello?
Angry crowd.
Lynching means beating randomly. भीड़ ने उसको पीट पीट के मार दिया. That is what happened to Griffins in the end. In the novel, this is an extract from the novel. The name of the novel is The Invisible Man. This is one of the chapters from that novel. Griffin was rather a lawless person. Comment. Mimamsa, how can we say that Griffins was a lawless person? What had he done to showed that he did not follow the laws?
He burnt the landlord a home.
Yes, he burned the house of the landlord. Other incidents also you can quote. He stole at the clergyman's house. When he was being arrested, he hid Mr. Jaffers and the other villagers. He
He
talked
stolen the money.
he
Stolen the money.
Yes, he stole money from the clergyman's house. He burnt his landlord's house, and he had even once stolen his father's money. It's not mentioned in this story, but in that original novel it is there. You don't have to mention it because it is not in this story. So he was a lawless person. He stole money at the clergyman's house. He burnt the house of his landlord. He hit Jaffers and made him unconscious. How would you assess Griffin as a scientist?
As a scientist, he is a brilliant scientist, but as a human,
Yes, very good. He was an intelligent scientist, but he used his scientific discovery only for terrorizing the people and only for harming the people. We cannot say that he is a good scientist. Would you say that he is a good scientist? Though he is an intelligent
No,
person,
ma'am. No, ma'am.
he lacks the basic human qualities. Though he was intelligent, he was a lawless person, and you can quote some examples. Then, would you like to become invisible? किसको किसको अदृश्य होना है? Would you like to become invisible?
Yes, ma'am.
Divyani, you want to become invisible?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
in these circumstances, it is not possible.
It's not possible. Yes, it's not possible, but the writer is just asking choice, पूछ रहा कि अगर ऐसा मौका आए तो क्या तुमको इनविजिबल बनने का, what advantage, disadvantage? Advantages are also there, disadvantages. Are there forces around us that are invisible? For example, magnetism. Are there aspects of matter that are invisible or not, visible to the naked eye? There are some things which you cannot see with the naked eye.
God,
Atoms, molecules,
God,
God. What makes a glass of water transparent? साइंटिफिक, तुम लोग साइंस में पढ़े होगे ना, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को स्ट्राइक करके रे वापस आता है तभी हम देख पाते हैं, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to give the scientific this is a science fiction. What makes glass of water transparent? What is the scientific explanation for this?
Reflection of light.
Reflection of light, yes. Do you think it would be scientifically possible for a man to become invisible or transparent? It's just your
Ma'am,
personal-
right now it's not possible, but in future it may be that a human can become invisible.
Yes, right now it's not possible. In future, science is progressing every day rapidly, so it may be a possibility. Just like Griffin's, someday a scientist may discover a pill that will make the body transparent. Okay, so this is the end of our class. Now we'll meet on Monday. Best of luck for your Sunday's test, all of you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.